Hi there, this is Vincent Yu once again from the Cyan Red team. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick demonstration of HAMMERTHROW, which is a sort of new capability that I developed just so that I could use a wide span of domains for command and control, and such that I wouldn't actually ever, call back to a singular set of domains, and it would rotate on a regular basis. I'll just show you what this capability sort of looks like now on the wire on in this virtual machine within this video. So on the left hand side here, I've got beacon running and I've got a Wireshark open. On the right hand side here, we've got the beacon going right now, and we'll just do a quick process listing. So we can see it's actually beaconing back, and it's going to collect the process, the job, and it's going to perform the job. So on the left hand side, we can see the sort of command and control that's happening. We can see there's some DNS lookups. That's not the traffic I'm looking for, but every so often we get a client hello. I'm just going to stop the traffic recording for now. And then I'm going to go to the client hello. What I'm going to do is quickly go down here. I'm going to filter it based off the, let's see. Let's filter it based off the client hello. So drag and drop it into the filter. Okay, enter. And then what I'm interested in here is what is the client hello saying? So let's go down to the server name, go to the server name indication. We can see here that the server name is this. I'm not going to put it up there right now. I'm just going to go and do a apply as column. Okay, so now we can see the column name for these specific ones. Okay, and all of these are client hellos. Okay, so then what I actually want is let's go here. We've got client hello, session type 22. Right. Oh yeah, these are okay. Fair enough. That's the same sort of record content type. Okay, fair enough. Alright, that's fine. I'll just actually I think I can apply another filter. I did this a bit earlier on, so let's see. If I go down to not length, that's gonna maybe I can just filter on the fact that it's got a server name indication. Oh, okay, yeah, no, because then it just checks the whole frame. Okay, so we go back. Hang on. What's special about these ones, right? Is a client hello, so stick it in there. Okay, there we go. Okay, fair enough, right? So I needed the SSL handshake type. Fantastic. Okay, so now if I resume the traffic, we can see for this specific beacon, it's actually connected out to these domains. So it, checks in for the job again. It just circulates through a bunch of beacon domains. So this is sort of what you expect from normal C2 traffic. What I'm going to do is I'm going to spawn a new HTTPS beacon. And then we can see it's starting to call out to different domains like Mailbank and some other domains, right? Okay, so we've got some new unique domains here. There's some more. There's like blog.financialengine.com. So, well, fair enough, right? It's calling out to mailbank.com down here we can see. But now I'm going to do another one. I'm going to do another spawn HTTPS. And then this one now calls out to this solo health, right? And it uses its own set of beaconing domains. So this is pretty interesting because it means that every time I spawn a new beacon, or if I use it for lateral movement, or if I generate a new beacon, or if I stage a new beacon, it means every new beacon that I spawn is going to use a new set of domains. It's not going to use a pre-existing set, which then means that if you're a defender, you're continuously trying to defend against new domains that are continually being used within your environment. So you're going to have to keep blocking off new domains if you're not intercepting the traffic, and just basically looking at one specific host is not enough. So as we can see here, we're starting to get even more domains. I've obviously censored them out, but you can see why this capability might be useful. If you've got a large set of domains with A records, for example, pointing to different redirectors, then you could potentially cycle through different domains that you've registered that point to different redirectors, so it'll have a large set of different IPs. And instead of blowing them all into one specific payload for a round robin type approach, you can make it spread throughout your engagement. So it'll randomly select different domains to call out to throughout your engagement. Of course, you should always set apart a separate list of domains for different areas of the attack. So for example, when you get to a point where you want to have a cutoff so that it's not attributable back to the previous set of domains, for sure, then yeah, definitely you want to have a new cutoff point. But in this scenario and case, we can see that actually if we're just spawning new domains and using new domains as our C2, it could actually prevent a defender from being able to track and find the domains that he's looking for. So it makes it a lot harder to track throughout the environment. But of course, depending on the C2 protocol, the HTTP underneath the TLS, it could make it a lot easier to identify and fingerprint, and then you can use that to search throughout your organization. So thanks a lot for checking out this video, and that's it for HAMMERTHROW for now. I'll be talking about the script and releasing the script shortly.